Welcome everybody. Welcome. Well, here we are in the New York session. It's so dark here because I pulled down the shaders. Hold on a second. Let me just update the screen here just a little bit. Okay. So, this is the 5-minute Nasdaq. Let's check the 30-second as well. And it looks like we're still hovering in between these levels, so that's quite interesting. Hold on. All right. So, let there be light. The thing is, as I said, we're still hovering at these levels, and if I look at some higher time frames, I would say I don't really know what to expect. We have some nice sell side targets down there, and the next one would be 29 if we go there. I'm not even sure if we are going there. 10 points to go down. No volume, that's the thing, so not much to do until then, until volume kicks in. Gold is edging higher. On the 1 hour gold chart, there is a little bit of, hold on, let me put this back. There is a resistance level right here. Actually, let me check the 30-minute chart. Okay. Might not be that important, but all right. Resistance 30-minute / 1 hour. Okay. So there's that. On NQ, nothing special. Nothing special. I guess on gold we still have to wait. If we break above this, then could be going above this high. Anyway, seems like Nasdaq may want to take out that 29.50. So I'm looking forward to that. Unfortunately, I don't have an entry here. No entry on any of these time frames. Although I still think we could be good for at least 6 or 7 points here. Commodity exchange is already open. So anyway, gonna have to wait. Futures open in a few minutes. Let's see what happens. And while we are waiting, I would like to check something on the 5-minute zones. We took out Asia high and low. What's next? What is next? Making new low here or what? On the 15-minute there is resistance up there. The 759 level is definitely inside of a nice resistance area. If we break through the 29, we should be going to target 707, I think. But no confirmation and no displacement. Mesapeti, hey there! Ott van egy sell to buy gyertya. Yeah, I mean, I'm not jumping in this one. Good morning, Lorenzo. Két massive bull gyertya. Well, Mesapeti is saying there's 2 massive bullish candles to the left. What? Which candles? Oh, 2 green ones. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to check the... Is that on the 15-minute or on the 1-minute? Or the 5-minute? On the 5-minute, there's definitely 2 bullish candles. Oh, 15. All right. 15-minute. Oh, yeah. This is actually a very nice... this is a bullish order block. Almost like, seems like it. Look at this. This area, I know what you mean there. Almost like a bullish order block. Which it is, technically. It went down, took liquidity, pushed higher, made a structure shift. Yeah. Okay, so these candles are... Oh, this is still May 20. If you look at this, because I thought that you're meaning this order block. Okay, értem. Ez a kettő. Mind a kettő május 20. Both of them are May 20. I just look to the nearest opportunity if we have a bullish candle. The nearest one is this bullish order block. But yeah, I see this. But if we want to engage into this one, I would like to wait for price to break lower. At least go down below 96. Or reach the order block, which is at 651. So we could go down there. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. So there's a fair value gap here on the 15-minute, definitely. This has been repriced. And we definitely have an unbalanced price range below 69. Hello now, good morning. So here we have a fair value gap as well. So let's see. Oh! Egy pillanat. Hold on. Just a second. I know I have my Discord opened up. Okay. Okay, message sent. I'm sorry. Message sent. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's true. József, te benne vagy? Are you in? Did I send you an invite? Küldtem neked? Mindjárt megnézem. Annyira szétszórt vagyok már, vagy 2 hete. Alright. I'm a little bit all over the place. Okay. Oké, már most keverem, bocsi. Össze-vissza vagyok. Okay, alright. Alright, great. Nice. Nice. Okay. Have to update some stuff. I know I have to. I'm way behind schedule. And this one is taking out the 29 as we were expecting it finally. But there was no entry. So there was no entry point here. Oh yeah, I see that now. Okay. I see. All right. So this is what Mesapetti sent. This was a nice buy opportunity here. I think it should be going below your level. So there's a high chance for it to reprice this. I mean, the reason for that, I mean, if we go to the 15-minute, not just we have this fair value gap, but this is technically a bullish order block, an exceptionally beautiful one. And these kind of bullish order blocks are like, I always measure it from the body of the candle. So like this here is actually, this one is a very good target down there. Of course, it's not mandatory to go down, but I do like that level to be repriced at some point in the future. So now that we have taken out this low, I wonder what could happen. Futures are open, so gold is trying to edge higher through a resistance level. Maybe going even more. Akkor a mínuszban. Ne. Yes, open is 3:30 in our time, which is 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. We had futures open at 8:30, which was just now, but the stock exchange is still 1 hour away. So let's see. Sell side liquidity is 707 as a low hanging fruit, which could be possible. I don't know if I would like to jump in before the open. We have no entry, nothing. Let's see. I'm trying to get an update, by the way, from BULENOX about the new codes and everything, because the TOM 50 has expired and I think the Tom Sable one's still working. I have to check it. Should be all right. Bum, bum. I have to update this thing. Okay, it's on until the end of the month, so 90% is still on the option 1 accounts. Let me check it with BULENOX. Should be working. Until we wait. All right. My neighbor is punching something. All right. Just give me a second. I have to update this. Anybody has a trade going on or a trade plan, whatever? Let me know. Alright, let's try again. Whoa, somebody just subscribed. Let me check it because I'm watching the other screen. Whoever it is, thank you for the subscription. Give me a second. Tang Li, thank you so much for subscribing and welcome to the channel. Welcome. You're the greatest. Black Beauty Machine, welcome. Good to see you. I'm back. I'm here. So let's just go to the 5-minute. We have the swing low. We have some nice fair value gaps below there. Otherwise, nothing special. Gold is going up there. ES is also edging lower. Nothing extra, no entry, and no displacement. So are we gonna go for 07? That's a coin flip. We don't know that. No entry setup for now. The volume is still low, but I think it's a nice target, so 07 could be taken out real easy at this point. Let me go and check it. Still looks like it wants to go down. But for how long, we don't know. Almost like a liquidity run or something, I don't know. But no entry. And the risk reward is a little bit off. So on the 30-second, there is a small fair value gap. On the 1 minute, might be good for a possible short. I don't know. A little bit dangerous, I must say. Does anyone have any trade plan? What are you guys looking for? Are we gonna go dump down here? $30-minute trend? Could be. Never really looking at the 30-minute chart, but definitely looks great. I mean, if you look at this candle, which holding the 707, I would like to see that candle being taken out on the 30-minute. So that is something that screams to be taken out. So I don't know. I guess we'll see. It's at 400%. It stops. Well, maybe. Maybe. All right, let me update the promo here. Should be okay. Oh yeah, the image is a little bit too big. Well, now it's all right. All right, now it's fine. Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, is that some kind of a standard deviation for a Fibonacci level? Joseph was trying to explain the 400% is part of a strategy he uses, and I thought it's like a standard deviation number or whatever. Do I have any orders? I don't. Thank God. All right. Okay. Gold is still there, breaking through resistance on the 30-minute. Otherwise, nothing special. is happening so far. I guess we just have to wait for market open. All right. I think it's stuck here. Pretty much stuck. Doesn't stop. Petty is saying it's not going to stop. So we could be going lower, way lower, maybe into the fair value gap at 696. Could be the possibility. I guess so. The thing is that we're getting closer and closer to market open, and yeah. Posted a trade plan. Let me check. Oh yeah, sure. You said we're gonna go lower. This is actually, this was the 15-minute gap down here, this one. That has been mitigated. We could be having that reversal. So, you know what? I think there is a good chance for that trade plan. And I might just take it, to be honest, online safety. I might just take it on gold. Gonna have to wait for this 5-minute candle. And I might take it on the one of the evaluation accounts. Could be going lower. Trying to measure some risk here. Yeah. Because if you look at this one closely, I'm not sure if the Forex chart is the same, but technically the same. We have a market structure shift. Like here. So if this one would be leaving some kind of a fair value gap here, all right, like this one, that would be like a great opportunity to go short. That would be a nice structure shift. The plan is very good, the way you outlined gold. And we still have these beautiful targets down there, previous day low, Asia low, that is. So everything is in line. Hey, my funded futures or TOPSTEP, which one can I trade with level 1 data? You can trade on both. But I would go with my funded futures, Wick, because in my funded futures, I mean, if you're not really attached to TOPSTEP X, and if you go with the starter account, you can go with micros. So 20 or 30 micros, depending on which starter account you choose. I would go with that, and that not just because of the data, but I understand that the data is important. But I would go with my funded futures. I like TOPSTEP too. They are great, but altogether, I think my funded futures has a better edge in this thing. So, it's your decision. And if you're brand new with my funded futures, if you use my link and code, you get a 30% discount on the expert account. So 30% down on any expert account. Otherwise, I think it's 5% discount standard. Trade day is the best going forward. I want to get paid. No more headaches of rules everywhere. Trade day has only 3 rules and get paid after you pass eval. There you go. By the way, trade day is cracking into the futures market in prop firms, and I also opened an account with them recently. And if you guys are interested, there is a promo there as well. Let me check it. If you use my code case sensitive, I think it gives you 40%. But yeah, more and more good things from trade day. I stopped Apex. I got to pass eval. Super simple. Oh, just need to do at least 3 accounts, and I will never use another prop firm. Never say never, but yeah, definitely a good, a very good promote there. Well, I think they have the 20% off right now. Okay, so this is a possible setup on gold. I have it here somewhere. This was a market structure shift, just saying. Let's see if it wants to go down. It's actually broke through on this resistance on the 30 minutes / 1 hour, so can still go higher. But if it starts to go lower, then yeah, definitely good choice. Okay. You feel a dump at the open? Could be. We could go through the 07. I guess time will tell. All right. Daily premium here. I don't know how high this wants to go, but maybe this was it. Who knows? Again, just a waiting game. Hello, Justin Wright. Hello, how you doing? How is the day so far? Hope you made some good profits in the London session. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen. What is gonna happen here? Gold is not moving. NQ could be going down for that fair value gap on the 15 minute, but first we have to go through 707, so that's what I'm looking at. You didn't trade London. Okay, it's morning. 8 a.m. Sorry. I mean, I'm just saying because sometimes we have people who are still in North America, and they are up 2 a.m. in the morning. And I check my trades for London, I am breaking or losing trade. Yeah, during this time, so I stopped trading it. Yeah, I mean, I understand. And let's face it, London session could be a little bit crappy nowadays. Sorry for the expression, but yeah. Okay. Should be going through that 707. Come on. And I don't know what gold is doing, but NQ should be going. If you guys want to scalp it for 10 points, you're welcome to do so. The problem is we had no entry, not even on the 1 minute chart. But it does look like it wants to go. It's very close. I agree. NQ in general, the whole market is sluggish. Yeah. Tom, do you have any 250k account? No, I don't. But I bought quite a few 50k accounts. I know that the activation fee is oh, look at that. Okay, there you go. 07 just dumped. So the activation fee is a better deal, but I bought 50k accounts more, you know, just to YOLO them a few. I want to have at least 2 or 3 more funded accounts with Apex. So that's it. That was the reasoning behind that. And for me, it was easier to go through with a 50k account. That's all. I'm not saying the 250 is a bad thing. Actually, it's a very good thing, especially for those guys those traders who want to make some more profits. If you're aiming for more positions or bigger stakes, why not? 250k is absolutely a good one. Even if you blow it, you keep the subscription, you will get the second month for $33 and onwards the next ones as well. Sell to buy, yeah. Mesopathy was talking about this event, that it should be going down to this sell to buy candle formation, which he pointed out. I mean, just when we started to stream, he was already calling out this move. So yeah, that's true. Should be going below 96 now. Yeah, $85 for a lifetime, especially on a 250k account, is definitely one of the best deals out there. So I would, I'm definitely, and you still have time to achieve that. I mean, to pass the account until the end of the month. So there's still time. So yeah, I request my payout on the 16th, and it is still under review. Yes, so if you requested it on the 16th, it will be under review for even like 5 to 7 days, and you will get the payout at the end of the month. So it is perfectly normal. That's how Apex does it. That's how Apex did it since the past years. So as far as I was asking around as well. Yeah, no problem. I was asking around for from people who are having payouts constantly from Apex, and the main thing you have to know is there's a period between 1 to 5 and somewhere around the 15th, like 10 to 15 every month. So you have to request the payout. Your approval is going to take up to 5, 6, 7 days sometimes, and even after that you have to wait, and it will be deducted at the next 2-week period from your balance. So if I were you, I would not touch the account. Maybe just push 1 micro every week, 1 micro trade every week, but just to flip the account, do not go into your safety threshold. That's what I would do, and that's what I will do when I get there. Yeah. My prior payout, the approval was quicker, so oh yeah. Well, sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it's slower. They told me it sometimes really takes not even 5 or 6. Sometimes it took like 8 days for them to approve. The thing to know is if you request it until the 5th, you are going to have it deducted in the middle of the month. If you request it at the middle of the month, then you're going to have it deducted by the end of the month. I have been flipping contracts until I get... Okay, yeah. Just be careful. Don't go into your safety threshold because they can deny the payout, as you know. I'm aware. I mean, I guess. And that's it. That's the thing. So... Still waiting. Just check trade data. So if I pass, I could withdraw 500 right away. As an example, and my drawdown would be scriptwriter. I cannot confirm it right now because I just started with the trade day and I did not go all the way down to the fine print. I wasn't around at the weekend, and I already opened up an account with Take Profit Trader, and I said to you guys that I'm going to start with trade day, but I don't want to say anything stupid, so I have to go down deep into the learning curve there, to the fine print. So looks like a pretty good deal. I don't want to confirm it, so let me go and do this. Let me go and let me check this out. Hold on. There you go. General questions, blah blah blah. Trading platform getting started. Market data. Man, there's a lot of things I have to go through on the website, I guess. A lot of topics here. That's correct, if you have a 50k account. So you would just make more money and it goes back up. That's what makes them so much better. I built 1k buffer on trade day and withdraw 500 every week. Wow. That is awesome. That is actually awesome, Black Beauty Machine. I'm definitely going to dive into the details there just to check it out. As I always say, it's good to put, I mean, never put your eggs in one basket. You have to be diversified. So that seems like a good deal. That seems like a very good deal. But I'm going to check that out because that actually interests me quite a lot. So we have these non-evaluation memberships as well. So they have a 14-day free trial. And there's research and education subscription. All right. All right, there's a lot of details, but I will go to it. I could use trade rate as the main one and Apex as backups, but no longer stressing on passing to payout. I could actually take my time. Trade day will be paying. Oh, well, actually, that is a very good point to view this one. So yes, trade day can actually, yeah. So you can use them as basically an intern. Sorry. Yeah. I think my code gives you 20% at least, or maybe 40 if you check it. There's a description down there. All right. They don't have rhythmic connection, right? So they do have NinjaTrader, which is good, and they have TradeAway, right? Jigsaw, TradingView, TradeAway. Yeah, okay. So no rhythmic connection. Thank you. Thank you there. Thanks for the support. Good morning, Mario. Now you got it. It takes the stress off from the other prop firms where you might get paid. Yeah. Question, raises in my mind: is it sustainable for a prop firm like this? Do they have the resources to pay everyone? That's a lot of money that they have to deal with. The success rate would be much higher on many traders. Good morning, Sue Trades. I'm doing great. I'm doing awesome. Good to see you. How are you? Okay. Trade for a minimum of 7 trading days. We reach the profit target. Early keep trading. We want to see 7-day track record. Objective: reach the profit target in the trading account. This is your total net profits over the course of challenge. Be consistent. No day greater than 30%. Okay. Show us your risk management. All right. Only permitted times. Okay. $99 for resets. Looks good. You're doing great. All right. How is trading so far? Hope you made some good profits there. They've never had problems so far. Minimum withdrawal is 500. Well, fee is what only brings it in real traders. Okay, and get rid of all the cheapskates. Yeah. Trade day wants you to go live accounts. They are not concerned with traders failing. They want winners. Okay, I mean, I like that policy, by the way. I do like that policy. That actually sounds very good. Consistency is key. Trade away, trace cell phone, NinjaTrader. Okay. Market data. Let's see. Market data. Evaluation. Damn, I have to go into the details. I have to go into that later on. Apex. paying the same thing in the end. Apex is like waving candy in front of kids. Say, here, little kitty. Yeah. And by the way, this kind of business objective is the thing that I like from my funded futures too. I mean, they don't want to be the cheap people or prop firm. In exchange, they try to, you know, do what most traders like: ease up on their accounts with the no daily drawdown limit, end of day trading, micro to mini conversion is very good, no consistency rule, no withdrawal caps. So all these things, these services, somebody who is not a gambler is, you have to pay the fee for these things. And I agree, if you want to give more to the trader, then you might just ask a little bit more upfront, because then the trader should be taking it more seriously. So there's truth in that, a lot of truth. But they also have the same restrictions, like for example Apex, about news trading. All windfall profits will be withheld from the funded trader if you trade FOMC, CPI, non-farm payroll. So they do have the same policy. No trading for the news on funded accounts. Just keep that in mind, you know. Hey, Scriptwriter, thank you for the subscription. Thank you so much. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. I don't trade news anyway. Yeah, me neither. I mean, back in the stupid days, sometimes I did, but otherwise, no. No. It's not my thing. That's not my thing. Passed my first ever Apex eval today. Never give up. Hey, Enrotable, let me congratulate you. Come on. Where's the applause? I need the sound pad. Congratulations there. Good job, good job. And also, let me tell you that my neighbor is cutting the grass, so that means bullish movement. I guess you guys can hear it. He's cutting the grass, man. Lawnmower man. This just brings joy, you know. The beauty of trading. I'm muting down my microphone. I mean, for those few seconds when I don't speak, so you guys won't go crazy. All right. Man, this is loud. You're welcome, Unrotable, and congratulations again. This is, I know it's an awesome feeling. So, one good advice, I think you know it as well. Go very small size on your founder account. All right. Okay, seems like we're going into that fair value gap that we were talking about. This is a 15-minute gap. Right before the market open, well, when I was, how should I say, when I was a little bit stupid, I was going with minis, but then I realized I have to go with micros. I mean, it depends on your risk appetite or risk taking, how much you can take, but I would go with micros. I did go with micros after that, and I'm still trading with micros on these funded accounts. No, I'm not in a trade. Mesapeti is asking if I'm in a trade. I am flat actually. I can show you. There is no orders, nothing. I'm completely flat. Nvidia keeps their dumping. Nvidia earnings come out tomorrow, right? So maybe somebody knows something. Who knows? Good to know. Yeah, we'll see. I don't really think I have Nvidia. Maybe I just have I have delayed data. I don't have the live data for Nvidia. This data is delayed. Oh, or I don't know. It's not even open yet, right? Yeah, it's not even open. Pre-market dump. Don't have access. I know the price is down there at 99.31. I don't have access to the data. So it is what it is. Put the setting for the session on pre-market. Pre-market? I don't know how to do that. I actually don't know how to do that. No idea. I'm not subscribed to stocks. I mean, this is pre-market data, right? Setting, symbol. Okay. I don't know. That's it. Okay. Quite a jump. Or drop, should I say. Anyway, I see the drop. All right. Nice drop there. Nice, nice. Wow. That's interesting. Interesting. We're down to that gap, and I don't know how far this will go. But I guess we'll soon find out. Gold is still edging higher. Seems like it's not ready to go down yet. This market structure shift on the 5-minute didn't go as planned. So it's getting through the 30-minute resistance. There is one more level right here, minor. We should be breaking through this higher level. Top G, hey. 3 minutes to go. Play it cool and no getting emotional. Let us be patient and wait for the money to come to us. Well said. Well said. Simple stuff. Correct size always. Very, very well said. 18,650 coming maybe. Well, could be. Could be. There is this 15-minute bullish order block. I'm gonna put it here. 15-minute bullish order block. So if it wants to go down, yes, we could see the 650s for sure. But the problem is that we're still ahead of the market open. It's so tempting to jump in. It really is. But you know, guys, we just can't do it right now. We just can't. No adding to losers or moving stops. No switching strategies confirmations. Exactly. Exactly. You know. Just try to go by the plan. And don't do anything crazy. Just let's go, take it slow. No temptation, no impulse, no FOMO. Get in the zone first. Get to the chopper, you know. Get to the chopper. But I completely agree. Alright. Less than 1 minute to go until the open. This is a 30-second chart on NQ. Nothing special on it. I'm looking for the 650 level. Actually 651, but who cares? And let's see what happens. Market is opening now. All right. Seems like might want to go down. Who knows? Who knows? 88, 87. Okay, pretty much just holding it. No displacement. All right. 681, 651. Could be going for that. What do you guys think? I think it will be. Still hovering here. No real direction. ES is holding. NQ is holding. But nothing to go for right now. I'm not in any trade. I will let you guys know if I look for something. The way that these candles are printing is a little bit heavy. I mean, it feels heavy. But who knows? Can still go up. No news for now. Last but most importantly, be empty. Flow like water, never forcing nor crashing. Be still. I know. I know. And never hope. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I want to see a direction here. If it wants to go higher, then I want to see a clean structure shift. A clean shift. All right. Maybe repricing above 707. Could be a possibility on the 15-minute. A little bit of a repricing action there. All right. Went into the 15-minute gap. Looks bullish for now. No sign of weakness or anything. No sign of weakness. It can still go to, what about the 17? I don't know. If it wants to go and take out, for example, the 19 level up there, then that would be a little bit of a stretch. But it can also take it out. Don't know. Watching it closely. Is it going to shift lower? Or is it just going to stretch into up there to the 20s? Bit of a stretch, I know that. I know it's a bit of a stretch. But it doesn't really want to do that. Just waiting to see where it wants to go. And getting to I mean, it looks like it wants to get heavy. Might gonna get denied here. I wouldn't be surprised on a sharp drop. Yeah, look at that. Now we have a shift. But is this going to be enough to go down lower? So far, nothing special. Nothing special. Repriced a 15-minute gap. Trying to shift structure, which it didn't. Otherwise, nothing. Feels heavy, that's all. Below 700 again. Trying to reprice this area. We got the 20s as a possible direction or target. Nothing. The 15-minute was looking very... I mean, it still looks bearish, but... it's the waiting game. Good old waiting game. Tom, your best bet is to wait for SMI to pull deeply. Yeah, VWAP. Then we'll look for takes. Yeah, quick in and out play. Yeah, I'm looking for that kind of play, and I'm just waiting. I have no orders. I'm flat. I'm just waiting. Looking for a possible target. I do like the 15-minute order block down there. It would be awesome. Take that. Otherwise, nothing. Gold is ready to shift down again. I might gonna look at it closely. If gold is shifting, because it does look like it wants to shift. Just go with the flow. Look at it. We congested all the way here. Let's see a drop. A beautiful drop. Show me a nice displacement to the downside, and maybe we will jump into a short. That would be great. No, it's not showing. Use the SMI with all the other tools and knowledge and intuition. Yeah, exactly, Top G. Well, I'm trying to aim for that. Right now, I'm just watching price action. This is the 30-second, but on my other screen, I'm watching the 15-minute, the 5, even the 1. I'm looking at gold too. But so far, nothing. Not too clear what it wants. There's a good level at 730. Otherwise, I would be still bearish on the 1 hour too. It's not doing anything. So let's just wait. Continue to wait. We have equal highs at 720 on the 1 minute, also on the 3 minute. 720, 22, 23. Could go up there. Can we go to the 720 from here? I think we can. But it's high risk, for sure. So 720, there would be some buy side at 720, but it is hard to tell. If it would shift to the 650, that would be the nicest move I could take. You're gonna compare SMI 1 minute and 3 minute, 5 minute. Yeah, I know. I'm not really looking. I wasn't really looking at the SMI, but yeah. I definitely compare them. I mean, I need to, obviously, at some point. Now this here I like. This is something I really like. If this would break below this level, like below the 679s, maybe, that would be something. And it's not even far. I mean, it's like 10 points. It could do that easy if it wants to. And it could continue down to 51 maybe, or at least to the 60s. But we need the shift. And I still don't have my entry because this one didn't go up there to reprice this area at 93. Maybe 93, well, it could be good for maybe I don't know if it wants to go down. Because if it wants to go down, to reprice this level, oh yeah, understand TopG, yeah. Or sketch because it's already growing lags, yeah, exactly. 1 minute is good, right? There. We have the 1 minute right here. Right here. At your service. At your service. At least the good news is that it repriced this range. So there's a gap. And if it wants to go down, then that gap could hold. interesting price action for sure. Could be shifting higher here. Look at this. Could be shifting again. Actually, it did already shift on the 30-second. So if it starts to fool around here, then we could be targeting the 720s again. If it trades above. And then we can forget the 660s. No, it's trading higher. It should be taking the 720s, I guess. It technically made the market structure shift on the 30-second, but I don't know. If it, I mean, the 700 looks like it wants to break. It wants to give in. Definitely a little bit dangerous scenario, but I don't know which direction to take on this one. Looks like it wants to go for the 720s. It has to go through the 713 first of all. This is 1 minute chart right here. This is 1 minute. What you see right here is a 1 minute chart. That's for sure. I mean, so we broke higher to 713. And now I just don't know where this one wants to go. I'm not taking trades until I don't see a clean direction. The 5 minute is shifting structure nicely. I do like that. Otherwise, I don't see anything else worth noticing. Looks like it wants to shift on the 1 minute. It actually did. Looks good, by the way. Looks promising. Uh, 1050 could be the level to go along here. But where would be the target? Not my typical setup, that's for sure. Look at gold. Hovering here, but still looking for that short setup that we were talking about. This zone, I mean this support area, I mean turned into support. Resistance turned into support. And now we don't know where it wants to go. All right, I'll be right back. This might be the reversal. Let's see. Definitely I would keep it simple. Try out SMI crossover plays. Let's follow the trend. Pretty much using SMI to find a pullback since usual. Okay, on M5. Okay, this is the 5 minute. If this is a reversal, then on the 5 minute, well, I don't know. Look at the 1 minute. It's almost like a perfect entry on the 1 minute. This would be my entry. So what should I do now? I'm scared to do anything. Should I enter? Should I take the trade? I'm hesitating. I'm already hesitating. I'm not gonna take it because I'm scared. I'm sorry. I'm super scared and I do have to go out to check something. Sorry everyone. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah, I thought it was a reversal. Let's see. What is that? Yeah, I'm catching up. I'm catching up. Top G5 crossover plays if you trade down 5. Yeah, makes that with a hacking as you can roll, weave up, matching confluences, conditions, and boom. Yeah, you have got yourself a critical winning edge. Take money out, markets removed on it. Definitely sounds good. Honestly, 2 minute, 5 minute SMI crossover plays the smoothest I have seen for sure. They print. You let the runner play out the whole crossover. Nice. Too easy, but emotions ruin simple mechanical edges. Yeah, sometimes they do, but yeah, I understand, and definitely worth a look at it. That's for sure. That is for sure. And this could play out nicely, I understand. Switching between 5 and the 1 minute here. If there's any sign of continuation down to this 15-minute bullish order block down there. So I'm watching for that as well, but I need a displacement. I do need that displacement. Okay. We might be having something here, which I'm not sure what it is, but for now, of what I see is that it could be continuing down a little bit more. I'm a bit bearish based on this price action, and there's still some good targets both on ES and NQ, so looks interesting. Could be breaking through those levels. I don't know. Bum, 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 bum. Still have the 651 level there. Patience, yeah, and no fear, greed, execute correctly. That's true. That's true. So this is the 1 minute. I'm watching it closely. Also the 5 minute as well. But again, this is a 1 minute. what you guys see, but hard to tell how far can it go. Next liquidity level is above 733, 34. Let's see the high of this candle. Oh, sorry, not 33. The high of this candle, 34.75. So I'm gonna put a marker there, 34.75. I'm just gonna go with 33.75. Let's go. High of this candle is 34.75. Okay. So that or could be shifting lower again. Those levels are in place right now. You created an edge, okay, that has high win rates, so I don't have to think about anything. That is actually something when I'm always testing, so that actually I'm very thankful for that, for sharing all this. I definitely have to do some back tests. Simply rinse and repeat. Now if only I could get my follow, oh yeah, my trade plan and not fully send. Yeah, that's the only thing we have to work on. But I completely see what you mean here, and definitely looks okay, looks great, but needs many back testing on my end before I would, you know, repeat it all day long. But it definitely looks good. For now, I'm just trying to decide if this one wants to dump or go higher. Gold is still there. Yes. Made a new low, but feels bearish. I'm gonna stay on the bearish side for now and looking for some displacements. The downside, if we can have it. Let's see what this 1 minute does. Okay, keeps going higher. Swept liquidity now seem like it might want to push it once more. Once more, who knows? Always backtest it for sell when the market is closed. Yeah, doesn't hurt to trade replay mode for a few minutes before start. Yeah, definitely. But it actually sounds real nice what you just said. That's that is something worth a look into. I'm just trying to figure out if this one really wants to take those highs. From this angle, it looks like it wants to, but I'm no expert. I'm sorry. Just a quickie phone call. Sorry, everyone. Just a phone call. So I'm watching this level at 34. Why? Because that's a 15-minute fair value gap as well. It still looks a little bit of a bear trap. They might try to squeeze the bears all the way up to like the 29, 28 levels. Who knows? But it feels like a little bit of a trap. It feels like it. Let me put a line. Does it work? Yeah, it does. All right. Solid. Okay, that's fine. Default. Okay. Just checking the trend line. So on the 5-minute, we have this level at 29. And above 29, we have the fair value gap from the 15-minute chart. Everything is stuck here. It's stuck. Don't know what to make of all this, but it's stuck. Officially. Okay, I don't have any orders still. Looking for some opportunities with trend lines. I was thinking to maybe scalp or something, and I was searching for possible opportunities. So this is not just trading, but also a backtesting session from my end, because if it goes higher, this is actually not it. Yeah. Not a clean break. Although, well, no, that's not it. Where could someone draw a trend line here? Anyway, there's a 15-minute gap at 34. We have this high at 29. Could be breaking that level. Let me show you. This is it right there. So that level can be broken. And I think it will break that. Pretty high chance. 5 more points, but I had no entry on this trade. So I wish I had one, but I didn't. Oh yeah, pick a day, hide the candles and stuff. Yeah, wind back and boom. Yeah. Again, you don't need to draw trend lines. There's an indicator for that. Yeah, I mean, I know there are indicators for that, but sometimes even the Lux algo indicator, I tried it. It doesn't really draw us up those perfect trend lines. I mean, I don't really agree with those in many cases. But I understand. Yeah, I mean, waiting for that level to break, or actually break lower here. This is not valid. This is not valid either. Yeah, it would be great to jump into a trade, but there's just nothing that is interesting right now. And once more, you don't take all the 1 minute SMA crossover. 44, yeah. 9 only take the ones, yeah. Exactly. Roger. I might have some time on the weekend and look into that. Now on the 5 minute, ES is there, NQ is still in the middle. Should be taking out that 29. Not really something that I see. I mean, I like, but what is gold doing? This level is still holding gold. If we break through, let me put an alert here. Added an alert for gold. Look at this, it's breaking that. I think it broke it already. 29, 25 is broken. If you haven't hit the like button, please guys, do me a favor and push the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer to 2,000. So if anybody of you guys are here, please help me out and push the like. Not valid, quit it. You are backtesting it incorrectly. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Let's go, everybody. Indicator for trend line breaks. It might be scripted by Luxango. I don't know. It's free, and yeah, there are some trend line indicators there at TradingView. Many versions, but yeah, the most of it. I mean, the most popular is from Luxalgo, but yeah. If I just type trend lines, Luxalgo with breakouts has the most. This one. But if I look at it closely, it's just, I mean, I don't really like it so far. I mean, I just don't like the way it looks for me it's almost unreadable. So I'm just gonna delete that. So we went into the 15-minute fair value gap up here. Pretty interesting. Right there. So, question remains. How is this going to look? Nothing special. 5 minute there. 1 minute. Just going up. Nothing is stopping it. Gold is still up there. Nothing is stopping this one. Let me check quant hour. So 15-minute fair value gap has been taken. Let's see what else can it take. Is it going to finally go down? Who knows? Five-minute is getting to a little bit overbought here as well. Nothing fancy. Alicia, hey there, what's up? I'm just, waiting for a setup, actually. Hope you're making some profits there. I write it up a bit tough in the settings, like one upset. Okay. What do you not like about them? They aren't tight enough trend lines. You can customize. Oh, that's true. That's true. That's true. Trying to. All right. Careful always when 5 minute is overbought or oversold region. Those are big pullbacks and reversals. Oh yeah, they definitely are. For now, on the 1 minute, actually this one looks better. We have this buy side at 757, and it seems like the draw on liquidity should be right there. And let me delete that. And let me delete this one. This Asia low. I think there's a high possibility to reach for 55s from this area. Which means we could be going for those highs maybe. Actually, it's around the midnight level, so could be edging higher. But there was no retracement or whatsoever. 38, 38, 18 points maybe. 38, 28. Yeah, this could be a good area. I think it wants to take out that buy side. $758. Could be that level. $758. All right. It should be going to 55 at least, and it should not go below like 31, I guess so, something like that. But look at that, it's going straight up. All right, it went straight up there. I made a small profit on my funded account, one of my funded accounts. Not too much, $70 or something, but it's still a profit. I take $70 anytime. With 2 micros. Gotta be patient. This is ridiculous. Why? Why is this ridiculous? Well, oh, what Nasdaq makes. Actually, it's not a surprise for me. I mean, this buy side liquidity right here. Look at it, to the tick. Boom. It just took it. All I was waiting for is a proper pullback, and I took a long here. And that's it. That was it. I was going for the candle highs at 55. It's full manipulation, but you know, that's how we should all treat these markets. Like, all these markets are full of manipulation, and that's how I look at the markets always. So some other people, actually in person too, I know a few guys in person here in Hungary, who were asking me what is my main view of the market. And my main view is that you have to think like how you have to ask the question how the market could screw up all the retail traders. That's what you have to think of. And you think of like that, you will know after some time that these levels are where stop losses are resting. And boom, it just goes for it. Everybody's short. Yeah, let's go short. Everybody's holding their positions, even if they're short from here, they just put their stop above there, and the market just goes there to take it out. And now that it took it out, only by a few ticks, 1 or 2 ticks, it's ready to fall down again. And I wouldn't be surprised if this 15-minute order block would be targeted again. So well, I wish I would know what the hell is going on, but I just don't know. And I need to flip some accounts. This is just too slow. I can't do it. It still feels like it wants to go higher. If I look at the 15-minute. It's interesting. It's interesting. But I think it wants to go higher. 74 maybe. There's another buy side at 60. What is happening here, man? Hard to read. I don't know. I don't know what to think of this. Look at the 5-minute time frame. Super clean, super easy stuff. Yeah, it looks like it. This is the 1 minute, the 5-minute, real nice. We actually could be having a structure shift here. On the 1 minute. Seems like that the 5-minute is closing bearish. Also the 1 minute too. So by the book, this would be the place where I go short, right? Enter in the last seconds of candle closing. Yeah, something like that. So what do you say, Naz? Should I enter this short based on the SMI indicator? Should I enter it? Now is the time to answer. Should I enter into this short? No. Okay. All right. On the 1 minute though, it looks like a nice gap here. That looks nice. You do you. Yeah. I actually do like this area. with the 1 minute. But I don't know what to do. Feels like it still wants to go higher. It's not ready to go down yet. So, yeah. Exactly, okay. No worries. It's okay. It's fine. I still can't decide if this one wants to go higher or not or whatever. Okay, still waiting. I am still waiting. This one is easy. Let's allow 1 minute SMI to pull back deeply into oversold region, and once it crosses over, it's at a bar near, not far above SMI. Or screw it right at the crossover, go long. Oh, I see. All right. Why not? You know. So if it crosses, you know, just go long, right? That's it. That's the secret sauce. That's the secret sauce, right? All right, so this should be the time now to, I guess, go long, right? I guess so. Not sure. I mean, we went long here. I'm sorry. Let me add the position right here. So what? Oh, got rejected. Sorry. So I go long here. My stop would be here, and my limit would be here. How about that? What do you think of that? It's based on SMI. Could be a B wave made. Yeah. This is just an evaluation account, so I'm okay. I'm perfectly alright with it. This is just an evaluation. This is not a founder account. So I'm okay to go with it for now. It didn't cross over yet. Oh no. Maybe it will after this candle. Who knows? Let's hope. Hey Gabor. Oh, mi történt? Trade-away-t lefogyott. Oh. Oh. Öregem. A szívás. Ez a trade-away, ez a technikai dolog, ez mindig, ez már kiszúrt veled. Gabor is just saying that he lost accounts due to a connection issue with trade-away-t. Some other people were telling as well on the stream that they were having some connection trouble with trade-away-t. Oh man, that sucks. Sorry to, sajnálom. Megint hasonlóan jártál, mint előtte. No bullish candle close. No deep pullback into oversold. I don't know, bro. Well, we could also move sideways. Yeah, we can move sideways. Yeah, that's for sure. It can be definitely a sideways market as well. We still have some targets on the upside, but I'm not sure if it has the steam to go higher at this point. But we'll see, I guess. We'll see. We just have to wait. If it wants to break lower and finally revisit the 15-minute order block, that would be awesome to see. So I can take a short. Sajnálom ezt, Gábor. I also remember you saying Found SMA was overbought. Shit, I forgot. Oh, this could collapse too. Yeah, this could. Okay, köszönöm. Atomsabó 1 működik még, azt hiszem a többit már leszették. 50 000-essel meg 100-assal működik, azt hiszem. Alright, let's see. És option 1 account. Így van, előre nézünk, nem hátra. We're looking forward, not backward. Just moving forward and looking forward. Look at it, somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq. This could be a reversal, I mean to the downside maybe. 5 minute looking kind of interesting. I don't know. Could be going lower. Not sure. Az nagyon jó. 50k a legjobb. Please don't front run it again. Be a bit more patient. I am definitely will. I will be, bro. I promise. But again, this is an evaluation account, so it's alright. Just wanted to do something on this evaluation. Still looking for some trades, some serious trades. Maybe this one will break now. Okay, it took me out. Alright, nice. So it took out my stop, but still, if it crosses higher, we could be seeing a nice potential break above those highs, above the 60s, maybe. Look at this. Took out my stop and goes to the 60s. What a dirty move. What a dirty move. We're actually stuck here, so nothing really extra happening. Nothing special, nothing interesting. Repriced a 5-minute gap here. Could this be enough? I don't know. No idea. So far, looks interesting. And so far also looks bullish, but let's just wait and see. This one is crossing, right? Yeah, my stop was taken there, unfortunately. But it was an evaluation account, so no hard feelings about that. I still think that there is a draw on liquidity above the 60s. So let me see. All right. There is some contracts above the 60s, that's for sure. Alternative longs on M1 crossovers, then 5 MSMI. Yeah, look like that. Yeah, it's a different thing to do right here, but it's definitely interesting. That's for sure. I'm not sure if it wants to go higher, but for now it feels like, because we have these contracts up there. So if it wants to push, then let me check. There is, what I see on Bookmap is, not that it really matters, but there are contracts like 84. I mean, a few. There's a few contracts up there. Just like that, SMI for the W. Told you to wait for the deeper pullback and confirmation, which would have been the close of the candle that took you out for entry, or the one right after it with the stop below the entry candles. Okay, so this one took me out, and you say that this candle, so this one took me out, the 10:55 1-minute candle, and you say that the next candle, as it closed above as bullish, so I would have entered here at 10:57, right? Correct me if it's right or wrong. So this was the crossover here because it was oversold, right? the 1056. It closed. And the next candle 1057, boom, right? Go for the buy. Which means 42, 35, so at least a healthy 8 or 10 points minimum here on this trade. Let me know. Timing is everything, yeah. I completely agree with you, especially when we're trending and didn't get in the very inception of the trending move. I would like to disagree with you, but I can't, because you're right. You're right, absolutely. You're right. In this trade, it's definitely just the way you said it. So yeah. Look at it. It's going for the 60s. Contracts were at the 60s. But hey, I have to congratulate you. It was a nice call. It was a nice call. I would have entered at the close of that 1055 candle. So again, let's zoom it out. 1055. That would be an aggressive entry. Look at that. So 1055 closing bearish. If you look at the, can you see the, yeah, you can see. So if you look at the SMI down there, it still didn't cross yet. So at this point, you don't see what's going to happen. That would be an aggressive entry. The less aggressive entry, in my opinion, would be to wait for the next candle to at least let these let this crossover happen, which means that's a whole minute. So your first entry would be at 1057, I think. I just like to go through. That's it. Yes, that is how you trade the Nasdaq when you miss a reversal, and that's easy. Good morning, Crypto Panda. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. And by the way, guys, please push a like for me. It's free to do. I want to be the biggest streamer here on YouTube. I only have to stream for like 73 years more to at least have that kind of viewership. Sorry. All right. Anyway, done. Thank you. Thank you, Meshapeti. Thank you. That is the spirit. Exactly. How you doing, Crypto Panda? Any good trades? What's going on? Please tell me you're killing the market. Tell me. Tell me. All right. Man, I have so many emails. All right. 1055 and the 1056 in the last 10 seconds of the 1056 is the most conservative entry. The last 10 seconds of the... Okay, all right. But what if in the last 10 seconds, so the close was at 741. Let's zoom it out. Let's zoom it out. All right. Let's zoom it out. So let's talk about this. I want to talk about this. So what if in the last 10 seconds, the price, I mean, the closing was at 741. What if price was higher, like 743? And in the last 10 seconds, it just, boom, went lower. Of course, it can be vice versa as well. It can be like down here. So that's why I thought that I should be waiting for the close and then go in the next candle. How about that? Allow runners. I don't care about runners, but yeah, I take everything. I don't leave runners too many times on, but maybe for this kind of strategy, I need to leave some runners. I give you that. That's true. And look at this still. Okay, Nez, you got my attention really. And what I want to say, this is the 5-minute Nasdaq. We are in overbought territory here according to SMI, right? Overbought, right? So what I can do is go down to the 1 minute and wait for the oversold thing, right? Okay. Right at the EMAs. WTF, my take partial, what? Was at 61.75. What happened? No. Dude, one tick. Come on, Crypto Panda. Come on, man. Don't do this with me. One single tick. Man, don't do this. Ah, man. Not really, bro. Once 5 minute is overbought, going long is super sketch on 1 minute. Think about it. Yeah, I understand, but I understand. But if we're overbought and I go down, now we're overbought pretty much here. So right now, look at a short. So let's talk about a possible short, which I didn't take. But what if? What if? Let me show you. So here's the cross at 11:04. This candle is a down close candle. What if I enter to a short position right here? Settings, short. Look at this. Short position, stop loss above here, risk to reward ratio at least 1-to-1. How much is that in points? 57, 50. So that's 7 points, right? Let's assume that I got slipped a little bit and my take profit is covering, I should be covering some commissions. So that's like 57 and going down to 50. So 7 points, all right. So what do you think of that? The risk to reward ratio is 1.4. Is that something that I should have done according to this strategy? Let me know. But being first to try and catch reversal is also even dumber. Maybe stay flat. Okay, because this would have been a reversal in my opinion. Nah. Would wait for market structure to shift with higher low, lower lows forming trend. Okay, I get it. I get it. I didn't do the screen. Okay, let me check Crypto Panda. Let me check. Oh my god. No way, man. Guys, I have to put this out. Sorry, Crypto Panda, for exposing you like this, but look at this. Look at Crypto Panda's trade. He bought it here. And miss his first TP. Oh my god, his first TP partial up here. This is the thing that actually it pisses me off. I feel for you. I really am. Okay, so wait for 5-minute SMI to go bearish fully to look for shorts on M1. I get it. All right. You have to talk to me like a 10-year-old child or like a golden retriever, you know, something like that, because that's the only way I understand. Okay. So, let's go back to 5-minute now. So on the 5-minute, as much as I would like to anticipate it, I don't really see I mean, right now on this candle, this current 5-minute candle, it seems like it wants to cross the SMI, and it crossed once at 1040, I think. So 1040, let's go to 1040. All right, I'm interested in this one. 1040. This was 1040. Oh man, 1040. What if I went short here? Settings, short. Okay. 1040. Just a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Okay. That could have been a successful trade. I would have been sitting in at 1040 for 15 minutes, which is fine. So I'm trying to get the hang of it. I really am. Woof woof. Woof woof. No doggy around, Crypto Panda, but you know, I can check. But you know what? I think your trade is in a good position. Should be going up. Really, you guys know this stuff. You just play games. Learn everything, bro, and mix it all together. It works. High probability, but timing and execution has to be like your Neo in the Matrix. I like that face. I understand. I understand. Okay. Now the thing is, by the time the 5-minute is going to close bearish, the SMI, the 1-minute is going to be on oversold, which is, I mean, it's already in oversold territory. So let's do this together again, and this is just an evaluation account, so we can fool around. I don't have any orders. No, I don't have anything, so we can fool around with this account. I mean, this, yeah, should be fine. Plus letting green turn red because you got weight isn't the idea. Never let good amount of green turn red. Let it get out at break even and re-enter. No adding to losers. That is actually true. Okay, so new 1-minute candle. If you see this, the SMI is in oversold territory on the 1-minute. The 5-minute seems like it's crossing. Now, the other news is that we still have some room to go on the higher time frame to go up. Okay, so that is actually helping a little bit. So let's do a trade. Let's do a trade after it's crossing. And I do like the method, by the way. I'm not saying I don't. I just have to wait for the candles to do a little bit of a bullish movement here. And we're gonna enter into a trade. Okay, so this is still not crossing. Still oversold. Trading Nasdaq on lower time frames isn't easy. If you can't handle, then best trade 1 or 3 markers. Yeah, I like the lower time frame, especially because we're day trading. Okay, look at that. This current candle, this looks real juicy. 52, I could go in with 10-point stop loss. This is going to be the one, I feel that. I'm going to enter on a market order. Oh, Jesus, holy baby Christ, this is gonna go up. All right. 15, 14 seconds. Air Trader is here. Go long now. We'll try. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Long. I enter to a long position. Stop loss, I'm going to be using the 45 area. I'm going to go with 1-to-1 risk to reward. So, you know what? I'm even going to lower my target. So I'm going to go with this. So this is the trade based on SMI. Also looking the higher time frame, looking to make some new highs in this one. Just to 1 risk to reward ratio. But what I could do here is actually take partials. How about that? I waited. I waited. This was the crossover here. I waited. This here. 11:15 candle. This is the crossover. This is the crossover. You were right. You are right, Naz. Take 2 micros. I took 3. If you win, you win. If you lose, lose. Yeah. My bad, bro. You don't always have to wait for the candle to close. That's how I'm... yeah. Sometimes at the beginning... Okay. So I'm in this trade. What are my chances for survival? Is this going to mess me up? I'll be okay, right? It's fine. It's totally normal when it's acting like this, I think. No, I mean, I just wanted to look into this anti-model and let's see what it does. Oh Lord. All right. All right. All right. I get it. I get it. I understand. This is manipulation. All right. You know what? Even if we lose this trade, I'm happy that we participated in this one. On the funded accounts, I made $100 today. So actually more than $120 I made on funded accounts. So I'm perfectly, I have a good day. So this evaluation account is just for fun. Especially with the deep discounts. Anyway. There are some contracts up there as well. I don't know what's gonna happen. I use 1 3-minute. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I went with the 5-minute, but understandable. Look at the 5-minute. Wow. Interesting. Come on. Come on. So let me try something. What was the high here? High of this candle was 63.50. Okay, so what if put a sell limit there, put a sell limit there, and put one here and leave a runner, leave one contract as a runner. How about that? So let's see if it breaks the high. at 63.50, and we're gonna leave a runner just for fun. Look at that bullish candle right before your bones entry candle. Why not enter their quarter size? Took scary. That is where the pros enter. All right, which one? Candle before your. So this one. No, I mean there is no crossover here. I know the potential is much bigger, but still. I should have entered here at 51, by the way, just saying. So according to the rules, I can still add one more trade. One more. Yeah. Okay, so but if this candle, the next one just starts to go lower, then you don't see this. When we were at this candle at 11.14, then the SMI indicator were still, I mean, the averages were still separated pretty much. We didn't see that this is going to happen. It could still go down like 10 points, 15 points, whatever. So that is something we have to watch, I guess. Oh, I can't OCO this. All right. I like to read candles too, but Heiken-Ashi candles. I know how to read regular ones like a book. Oh, so you mean this candle would have been nicer, for example, on a Heiken-Ashi situation. That I understand. Quarter sizing in. I was reading the rules about Apex, and they do let you add to the losers, by the way, just saying. At least you can enter once. One more. Add once more to your losing position. Okay? But not like you entered with 1 mini and you enter with 9 minis. But you're in with 1 mini, you can like enter with another mini or something like that. That can first one hit. Nice. I actually have a better one for you. Nice, Crypto Panda. Congratulations. Now let's hope mine will be hit as well at 63.50. I hope so. And then we will have a runner for fun. How about that? Oh, look at that. It's teasing it. Teasing it? Oh, DXR, just go higher. Oh, it doesn't really want to go higher. Now we're having fun. This trade has been dedicated to Top G, aka Nascalp God, and aka all the rest. All right. I have to modify my stop loss here. Okay. And I'm putting it to break even. I guess I'm gonna get out with break even from this trade. What the hell just happened? Okay, I'm out. And the rest of it is out. But still, it was a good trade. A 1-to-1 trade. It was a nice one. A 1-to-1. I know regular candles. I know Heiken-Ashi candles. GG, Tom. Trail this one. You have few exit options. Oversold SMI lines. Yeah, the thing is that on the 5-minute, it's definitely on overbought. Okay. But eventually, this trade, look at that, it poked into that buy side. So we're looking for more like this. Stay tuned, everyone. Please push the like button if anybody's here. Nobody's watching this channel, so please push the like. Subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would like to grab some discounts, everything is gonna be over. The whole world is ending. So the discount for the Apex goes until Thursday. My funded futures, come on, 30% off. What are you waiting for? Expert account, go for it. Okay, this was the commercial. Thank you. I did like this trade. I must be honest, this was a nice one. Stop loss hit at break even plus 2 ticks. Hey, Crypto Panda, you and me are both in the winning streak right now. I must say I enjoyed this trade. I did like this trade, so I enjoyed it. Finally, something is happening, and I played around quite nicely with this SMI indicator, or what the hell it's called. Yeah, I liked it. It was nice. Yes, Len, 5 minutes over, but you don't get greedy and no need. I'm not greedy. Oh, or maybe I am. You know the deal. Let's go. Stochastic. I know stochastic. I know it's the name. Stochastic Momentum Index. Yeah. I just keep forgetting saying it. Yeah. But I knew. This was a good one. All right, let's wait for the next one. Let's wait for the next one. I did like this. This was a good one. This was a great one. All right. On the 5 minute, we're still overbought, but where can we go? Let's look at the 15 minute on TradingView. Next level would be at, well, 7.74 maybe. I'll put a line there just to make sure that that's the high. 774.50. All right, 0.50. So I don't want to say anything, but look at this. This could have been a nice short here. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this here. Let me know. What if I enter? So this was the cross. I enter here. On a short. So my stop would have been here. Jesus Christ, this would have hit the take profit by now. Look at this. Top G was right, and it's actually not sarcasm at all. You were right on this one. This trade, which I didn't take, was also made by the same exact system. How do they say? There's a saying like, you put the bug in my ear. You definitely did. At a big bearish candle, 80% follow through plus 5 minute was overbought, bro. Yeah. Nas, I must say that, and also there's a divergence here. I know you guys might not be interested, but look at that. Higher highs, lower lows on the stochastic, and divergence on the 5 minute. So, wow. What a beautiful trade. It is the first short of the reversal. Okay, so now we have another thing going on. I'm going to leave this for reference, this marker here. What next? So we should be patient. Look at this. Look at this one. It's going into the oversold territory again, but I know, of course, this is pretty much overbought on the 5 minute. So now comes the question, what do we do? Are we going to wait some more or what? Why is my live sub count is not working out as it should? Now it went down 10. It's just not working. The live sub counter is just not updating as it should. Anyway, we're going down. Big ass candles as long as not to the end of a move have 75% follow through rates. Always for sure. Perhaps watch some Oliver Wallace videos, bro, to learn how to add on and how to. Oh, Tom hold. Sir, boo. Okay. Big ass engulfing candles on the 5 minute. Oh, look at that. Okay. Let's see. Still waiting. Now look at this. We're oversold on the 1 minute. So getting ready to do something here. Still oversold. I feel like we could be still doing a pullback on the 5 minute. So I'm going to be waiting for the cross. Look at this current candle. Could be happening. Still need 40, what? Almost 40 seconds for this one. Okay, still going lower. So your next trade will be when the SMI pullbacks all the way over bought. And you then look for next candle shorts. As long as this is a true market shift reversal. But then again, the higher time frame might be bullish. Yes, I know. I know. So look at this. I'm willing to go long because this could be a pullback. And we're in oversold. What do you think? I bought it. It's too late. I'm going to be using a tight stop on this one. And I'm out. Okay, so this was not the trade. I'm still in profit, don't worry. But it crossed actually. It did a cross. It was a bullish and now it's repainting. Oh man. OTE here, right? Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah. So I still need to wait for a possible entry. It didn't, but why didn't it cross over? It did change the colors. So now this should have been crossed over by now, right? Because the previous one changed colors. Cross is a cross. I'm going in again. Just with a small position. All right. This was technically a cross. Don't tell me it wasn't, because it was. And now it's going down. So I need to wait for a clean cross. Dude, not every 1 minute crossover is going to work. RSI, yeah, I don't remember that, but I do remember. I know not every 1 minute is going to work. I'm aware of that. But the thing is that on the 1 minute, look at this. We are in this area right now, which is like a nice gap here. Liquidity could be swept here and taking it higher again, at least for some kind of a push to those highs again, once more. Why not? But as far as I'm looking at the 5 minute and the 15, there is no direction shift. So that's why I thought that this area could be a good one. Okay, I messed up the previous one. I give you that. But this current one should be okay. This current candle, this entry should be all right because it was crossing. Don't tell me it wasn't crossing, because this was a cross down here. And actually it worked out. Or break, whatever. Yeah. But hey, the trade worked out actually pretty nice. So this was a good one. This was a real nice one. Let's go. Okay, so what is happening on the 5 minute? The 5 minute actually crossed. Look at this. So according to this, we should be seeing some lower lows, and 735 could be in the crosshair down there, that swing. So if I go back to the 1 minute, you know, I could be looking for another, well, I don't know. You know what? If it goes to overbought, I might be entering into a short again. But it's not doing that. Anyway, let's wait. What are those two moving averages? These are the 21 and the 9 EMA. 21 and 9 EMA. Yeah. Exponential moving average, yes. I could disable them, so there will be no distraction. How about that? Tell me if this is not entertainment, because it is. The best entertainment. Are you entertained? All right. So it's moving lower. This 5 minute is moving lower as well. I think it wants to take out that 35. Pretty much looks like it. I don't know, but it looks like that. I would definitely not jump in to a long because we have the low at 35. Actually, let me check the low. The low is at 35.25. So let me go here. 35. Let me delete that. 35.25. So that's the low right there of the swing low. Yeah, swing low. Okay, gold is going lower. Gold started to dip. This could be the move. This could be the move. Who set this move? Safe Trades, I think. Only Safe Trades, or who said this? So it's breaking through this resistance area, which is support now. All right, everybody keep calm. It's happening. It's happening. Okay, so possible. I'm not taking this one, but let's just measure this possible trade, okay? If I would have jumped into this one, like for example here, I take the liberty to enter to this trade here. Risk to reward would be somewhere here. How far can it go? No market structure shift. So this is just a paper trade. This is I'm not taking this on the evaluation or funded. You actually want to use one indicator that has 9 EMA time all in one. Super helpful. Anchor VWAP. Oh yeah. Golden cross EMA is then at minimum always use VWAP middle band. Okay, I see what you mean. Back to as it was. Okay, so this is just for observation purposes, nothing more. Okay. And by the way, we're approaching the lunch hour, just saying. Quick reminder. Push the like button, guys, if you haven't already. Let's help out the stream with a push of a like. I make my middle band VWAP yellow. Try red. Okay. Green. Okay. Nice one. That's a nice touch on the screen there. Looks like this still wants to go down a little bit. As I said, we still have this swing low at 35, so pretty much looks like it wants to take that level. At least it seems like it now. $35. It does seem like it wants to go. Okay. Look at this. Purple VWAP increases probability. I agree, Brando trades. I 100% agree. 200 EMA is like red rover and strong. I am less strong, but all lines where price action can reject bounce. Yeah. Yeah, these kind of EMAs are usually being respected one way or another. Or they could be lining up with some trades. Look at this. Is this gonna go? We don't know. Also, don't forget it, there's a 90% sale with BULENOX. And My Funded Futures gives you a 30% off if you're a new customer with an expert account. So go check it out, and you can use some codes I have. Go for it. Do it. I heard that from that indicator. I was reading that from Gabor de Hoon. Do it. With an EW. Do it. I like that. Let's see. Okay, look at that. You might want to go for that 35 again. Scout 2 EMA, whatever trend line breaks, and make money. Yeah, it's just about finding winning edge and testing. I agree. I agree. I know what you mean. But look at this. Very, very, very interesting price action. Now, if I would have taken this trade, we would have been sitting in it for quite some time. But I think it's gonna go and take out that swing low, most likely. I mean, it looks like it. Yeah, I think it took it out. Yeah. It took out that level. Wow, I made 50 bucks on a funded account. And another 120 on a different funded account. Okay, now this was something that was expectable. I have not once in 2 years respected my trade plan for even 3 or 5 trades in a row. That is emotional bipolar. Schizophrenic I get. I'm working on it. Soon we'll be trading like a robot. That's the way to go, Naz. Yeah, so all over today, I'm gonna show you guys what I made today. Okay. Let me show you the accounts. These are brand new accounts, so don't get overboard because there's still a long way to go. All right. So here are the accounts. One funded account today, I made almost $50, $48 on this funded account with micros only. This is one. The other funded account was this. Started today at 252, ended 324. That's like around 70 bucks, 72, so like 70 and 50, that's 120. And on a BULENOX funded account, this one I made $28, so $148 for today. But these were all my, I know these are baby steps here, but hey, at least I was in profit. And on the evaluation account that we were playing around with, this is just an evaluation, a little bit of profit. Anyway, it is what it is. It's not 170. I thought it's 170, but it's actually, I might copied one trade. Let me check one more funded account. No. Oh, no. It's 150, so not 170, but hey, I take 150 bucks any day. I take 150 bucks any day. Still good. All right, guys, I think that's it for today. I think I'm gonna cut it. I made some profits, and I'll be back tomorrow in the London session, and we'll try to have a bigger stream in the New York session. I have some news for giveaways and such, so stay tuned, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining, and please push the like. Also, if you would like or can support the stream, please use my codes and discounts, use my links, and to keep the stream alive. All right, so thank you guys, and see you tomorrow. Look how these SMI logs, yeah, they were working, definitely. So thank you again, Top G, and see you tomorrow, and thanks for sharing all the info. All right, see you tomorrow, guys. Cheers, everyone.